Good morning, Cannin users. Welcome back to another session of technical analysis. I'm Steven, and this week we're looking at Liberty Health Science. Many of you know of them from their business down in Florida. They just finished construction recently on some of their greenhouses, pretty big spaces, 180,000 square feet in Florida, Gainesville, Florida. And they have some GMP certification, good manufacturing practices. Why is that important? It's because it adheres to federal guidelines. So very interesting. Watch Liberty Health, especially on the fundamental side. So read the Chronicle email today for your fundamentals, but we're here for the technicals. And so here we're looking at LHS. This is actually the ticker on the Canadian Stock Exchange. They're LHSIF on the OTC markets here in the United States. And we're looking at some moving averages that we've looked at many times. The simple moving average in red, the exponential moving average in green, which we would expect to be smoothed a little bit more. And finally, the Kaufmann moving average, adaptive, which is in blue. And we know that that has some weighting correction factors, so less volatile than the other two moving averages. Watch a couple other videos we have here on our YouTube channel to analyze these three, but really we're going to look at this area here, and we're going to look at when we see this cross. Pretty interesting that all three of the moving averages are crossed. It looks like right around January 31st at around 97, 96 cents. And we're looking at the 4-hour time chart. So maybe you saw this upward movement right on January 31st, and you thought to yourself, it's about to cross my Kaufmann. Is this something that I should get in? It's already crossed my simple and my exponential moving average. Should I get in? Let me look at the different time charts. Let's look at one time period down. So now we're looking at the 1 hour. Look at same period, 31 of January. Look what happens, the same setup. We get this cross over all three of our moving averages. So going down one time period, the signal is there. So maybe we can take advantage of that. Now let's go up one time period. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit. But again, January 31st, look at this. Right on the daily chart, we get the start of the upward cross. We're crossing our smooth and exponential averages. Very next day, we cross our Kaufmann. So there's three different time periods, all performing the cross above all three of the moving averages that we're watching, really. All three saying maybe there's an opportunity to buy. And had we done that, there's maybe 10% gains here on the daily chart that we would have taken advantage of. On the hourly chart, look at this, 95 cents all the way to 114. So had you, been patient and captured 100% of that move, which nobody ever does, but just for examination, look at the move that we could have gotten on all three of these time periods. Just a nice setup. So an easy way to watch using your simple averages, and an easy way to analyze moving up one time period and down one time period. Thanks a lot. Keep your eyes on Liberty Health, both technicals and fundamentals. Have a good day.